flipping bigs like Ashanti. My new ish is foolish like Ashanti. You miss me? Oh, baby, like Ashanti. I told Shorty you.
YouTube, we just got something in the mail. Let's open it up. Didn't bring a knife. Uno momento. Soles on them, man. That Aquafina blue. Let's just admire this right now. Oh my goodness, these are so tough to me, man. Look at the lacings. My only thing with the Iversons question, these are question mids, by the way. My only thing with them is that I always felt they try to replicate the Jordan 6s with these. That's always been my thing. Like, look at the strings. Totally a thing, you know. Jordan shoes still do to this day. Like the mid 11s. If you have a pair of mid 11s, go check it out. Tell me that's not the same way you lace them up. But man, these is hard though, man. What makes these really unique is that if you ever really paid attention to the mids by Iversons, they don't have plain tips on the shoe here on the front. So this is what makes this really unique to me, because most of the time it's like black, red. It always matches a different scheme or different color that they have. So they just left it, you know, the aqua blue down here. So that's pretty unique to me. But these is hard. I really like the blue and the sole on it. You know, very classic style at the bottom. So these right here, I ordered in a size 12. I should have pressed it and went to a 12.5 or a size 13, just because Allen Iverson shoes are notorious for being very snug on you. In stores, you can only get them in a size 9. You actually gotta, anything over, you always gotta order online. Kind of once again reminds me of the Jordans. Like, Jordans are very snug fit. They're for slender feet people, so that's something to always keep in mind. Now, I ordered these right off the site though. It didn't take me real long to get these, maybe I want to say 5 days. It had a couple different expected delivery dates, but I think that was only because of the coronavirus going on right now. So I think they just had an issue getting it out to the shipping facility and up to where I'm at. But these are so hard to me. No shoes this far, I gotta put them on one time for the one time. So my only thing with these is that I have to tie up the shoestrings. I'm not really a big fan of tying my shoelaces. Don't know why. These are nice and comfy, and they're super light, super light, super light. Even though I won't be doing like, you know, activity, this is just definitely something to pull out and stun on cat sweat right quick. But these are nice and lightweight, real simple, real classic. You know, something you can't really go wrong with. So thank y'all for watching. Make sure you guys like. Make sure you guys comment. If you guys like this video, let me know in the comment section below if you guys want to see more. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.